Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Let's start the lesson. Today's lesson is synonyms, yani ke mutradifat. We also can say it words and meanings. In English, it will be English to English meanings, and in Urdu, it will be Urdu to Urdu meaning. Our first word is wise, akalmand. Its synonym is prudent. Second word is weak, कमज़ोर, नातवां. Its synonym is feeble, frail. Third word is witty, meaning hushkap, and its synonym is humorous. Fourth word is yield, देना, कोई भी चीज़ देना या किसी के हवाले करना. Its synonym is submit. Fifth word is villain. It means badmash, gunda, and the synonym of this word is rogue, rascal. Sixth word is vulgar. It means ghair muhazzab, nashayista, and the synonym of this word is indecent. Our next word is rude. It means akkad, badtameez. The synonym of this word impolite, offensive. Next word is ugly, bhadda, burra, badsurat, and the synonym of this word is hideous. Ninth word is trust, e'tamad, yaqeen. The synonym believe, rely. Tenth word is tradition, meaning reet, rawaj, riwayat, and the synonym of this word is custom, convention. Next word is timid. The Urdu meaning is buzdil, darpok. Synonym is cowardly, coward, not brave, weak, fearful. 12 word is thrift, kifayat, shuhar. The synonym is economy, frugality. Next word is loyal, wafadar, namak halal. The synonym of this word is true, faithful. Next word is mad. Urdu meaning is pagal, divana, majnu. The synonym of this word is insane, crazy. Next word is perfect. Urdu meaning be'ab, kamil. The synonym is faultless, complete. Next word is proud, maghrur, ghamandi. Synonym is arrogant, haughty. 17th word is greedy, lalchi, haris. The synonym of this word is covetous and avaricious. Next word is honor. Urdu meanings are izzat, wakar, tokir. The synonyms of this word is respect, regard. Next word is humble. Urdu meaning ajiz, inkisar pasand. The synonym of this word is meek, modest. Next word is idle. Urdu meanings are sust, kahil. The synonyms of this word is lazy, sluggish, kind, mehriban, shafiq. The synonyms are tender, good. Next word is famous. Urdu meanings are mashhoor, maroof. Synonyms are eminent, renowned. Next word is fool, ahmak, bewakoof. Synonyms are stupid, idiot. Our next word is frank. Meanings are betakallaf, khara, sadiq, and the synonyms are open, free, candid. Next word is frugal, kifayat shahar. Synonyms are thrifty, sparing. Our next word is generous, fyaz, sahi. Synonyms are kind, benevolent. Next word is usual. Urdu meanings are aam, mamuli. The synonyms are common, ordinary. Next word is vacant, khali, empty. Next word is victory. Urdu meanings fatah, kamyabi. The synonyms are success, triumph. Next word is sad. Urdu meanings are udas, malul, ghamgeen. And the synonyms of these words gloomy, sorrowful. Safe, महफूज, बाहिफाजत. Synonyms are secure, protected. Next word is see, देखना. And the synonyms are behold, look. Behold mean to look something with attention. Our next word is serious, sanjida. The synonyms are sober, solemn. Next word is shame. Urdu meanings are sharm, sharminda karna. The synonyms are disgrace, dishonor. Next word is shy, sharmila. Synonyms are bashful, coy. 36th word is slender. Urdu meanings patla, nazik. The synonyms are thin, lean. The next word is sly. Urdu meanings are makar, ayar. And the synonyms of this word is cunning, shrewd. Next word is small, chota. The synonyms are tiny, little. Next word is speak, bolna, baat karna. The synonyms are talk, say, chat. Number 40 is surprise, हैरान करना. Synonyms are amaze, astonish. Next word is suitable, मुनासिब, माकूल. And the synonym is appropriate. Next word is strong, मजबूत, तनोमंद, कवि. The synonyms are powerful, stalwart. Stalwart mean kavi. Next word is stern. Stern mean karaht, jabber. Synonyms are strict, stiff. Next word is spread. फैलाना, मुंतशिर करना, बखेरना. Synonyms are scatter, disperse. Next word is think. सोच विचार करना, गौर व फिक्र करना. The synonyms are ponder, reflect. Our next word is try, कोशिश करना. The meanings are attempt, effort. Next word is ultimate. Urdu meanings are आखिरी, ख़त्मी, कतई. The synonyms are final, last, closing. Next word is bold, bahadur, daler. The meanings are daring, valiant, gutty. A person who has guts. Next word is careful, muhtat, chaukas, fikrmand. The meanings are cautious, alert, caring. The next word is clever, chalak, hoshiyar. The synonyms are smart, intelligent. The last word is dangerous, khatarnak. The synonyms are risky, perilous, unsafe.